Remote in hand, lawn in control. Still pushing a mower by hand? Wasting energy under the hot sun? It's time to upgrade. Introducing the EUROX Remote Control Lawn Mower. Remote in hand, lawn in control. Designed for power, built for comfort. Handles thick grass, steep slopes, and rough terrain. No more back pain, no more sweat. You're in control from a distance. Perfect for homes, farms, and large fields. Work smart, mow remote. EUROX, your lawn, your rules. Order now and experience the future of mowing.